This United Real Estate Infinity property video is presented by Valerie Pardo. Shadow Lakes community of Lehigh Acres, one of the few gated communities in the area with very low monthly HOA fee. This beautiful lakefront home features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, open floor plan, interior laundry and 2-car garage, plus room for a pool. New carpet was just installed, and a new refrigerator is to be installed as well. The entire interior of the home has also been painted. The community features a lovely children's playground area as well as the security gate and streetlights throughout the neighborhood. Minutes to SR 82 or Lee Blvd for quick access to Fort Myers. For more information, review the details below or contact Valerie Pardo at 239-288-2424.